Ayan, okay. May ano pa? Shoulder and head.
Stop.
Picture! Ayan. Hi, everyone! Hello! Hello, Kim! Hi! Okay? Ayan. Dito lang po muna tayo sa plumating, ha? Okay, hi, kids! Raise your hand! And shake your hand! And jump! Hindi na sila. Okay, kids, before we start, magpapakilala muna ako together with my team. I am your host for today, Ate Jess. And together with my partner, Ate Kay and Ate Irish. Okay, say hi to them. And also sa ating special guest na si Lala Chan. Ayan, hi Lala. Okay, mukha ko ito muna. Ayan, magda-dance po tayo. Okay, reminder na po sa mga guardians, sa labas lang po tayo ng ating event area. Ayan. Okay, are you ready to dance? Mag-warm up dance na tayo, okay? Gagayahin nyo lang po kami nila Ate Irish. ating game for today, okay? Ayan. game. Sit down muna ate. Ayan. Mechanics po ng ating game ay hihilahin lang po. Papunta kay Ate Irish and kay Ate Glow. Ayan. Kailangan lang po mapunta doon. Why? Ayan, okay. Kailangan po equal yung ating team. Ayan, okay. Kids, arms forward. Safety reminder first. Okay, wala. Sabi po ni Lala Chan, may binubulong po si Lala Chan, okay? Wala daw po magtutulakan and mag-aaway. Okay po? Ayan, it's just a friendly game. Okay, arms forward na po. And then, follow your leader po. Ayan, so, dito po yung leader nyo. Ayan, ganito po sa ating line. Ayan, arms forward po ha. Okay, kung pa po nyo natin. Okay, ayan. Huwag muna po kayo sa tali. Wala po muna hihila ha. Hawak na po muna. Ayan, wala po muna hihila. Ayan. Huwag lang po muna. Wala po muna hihila, okay? Pag kinawin na po yung ating kanagin, saka po tayo hihintay, okay? Okay, kids, are you ready? Okay, sa team ni Ate Alice, are you ready? Okay, mga ba? Sa team ni Ate Gail, are you ready? Yes, okay, game na nila. Okay, team A, ang team ni Ate Gail, and team B, ang team ni Ate Alice, okay? Okay, get ready, kids. Okay, get ready, kids. In 3, 2, 1. Hila! Hila! Ayan! 15! 14! 13! 12! 11! 10! 9! 8! 7! Yeah, hila mo! 6! 5! 4! 3! 2! and 1! Okay! Ayan, so this round, nanalo po yung pad. Hila! 15! 14! 13! 12! 11! 10! 9! 8! 7! 6! 5! 4! 3! 2! and 1! Okay! Ayan, nakabawi ang team 8 ni Ate Glow. Okay? Ayan, wait pa lang po muna aalis. May last round pa tayo, okay? Ayan, nakabawi ang team ni Ate Glade, okay? Ayan, hawak lang po muna sa tali. May last round pa po tayo. Wala po muna aalis, ha? Okay, wala po muna hihila. So, tanong lang po muna. Ayan, okay? Ayan, i-cheer kayo ni Lala. Ayan, okay. Are you ready, kids? Oh. Are you ready? Okay, hold the leg. Okay, hold the rope in 3, 2, 1, hila! Ayan, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan, Team Kids, the winner of this game. It's okay, kids. Lahat pa rin kayo ay winner. Okay, call back po dito sa ating Blue Happy. Ayan, at po na kids, balik po muna tayo sa ating Blue Happy. Ayan. Ayan, ang gagalo naman ang aming mga kids. Okay, stand up muna. Okay, stand up. Okay, asan po yung team ni Ate Grace and team ni Ate Ayan. everybody.
Ayan!
Ayan, okay.
Big!
Big clap po natin.
Ayan! 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 Ayan, Jane! Jane!
I wish, okay? In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, para naman po sa team na Big. Bigyan natin sila ng 3 claps with a good job. Okay? Ayan, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, very good. Ayan, wala po nang aalis. Magda-dance pa po tayo. Ayan, magda-dance tayo together with Lala Chan. Put your hands and down.
Dance, 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 sa odolo. Sing, 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 ang gusto nila. Dance, 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 sa edaw de ulala. Sing, 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 ay bantay alam mo na. Kila, kila,
Ayan, ang gagaling ha. Ano pa? Shoulders and head.
let's dance.
Once again. Marcy. Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, sit down po muna. Ayan, sabi ni Lola Chan, sit down po muna. Ayan. Okay, kids, raise your hands. Raise your hands, everyone. Ayan, raise your hands para sa ating
Ayan!
Go on, raise your hands para mabigyan kayo ng giveaway. Sinati ay
Ayan! May balon! Balon!
Okay, sit down lang po. Wala po pa tayo. Wala po na nang aalis ha. Mag-group picture pa po tayo. Ayan, okay. Lahat po. Bye, meron na. Ayan, sit down lang po muna ha. Okay, sit down lahat. Okay, kids, sit down po. Wala po muna aalis. And where's your balloon? Sit down muna ate. Okay. Yung mga guardians po, pwede nyo nung picturean nyo yung mga kids dito po sa harapan. Ayan, okay. Smile po everyone. And raise your hand. When I say Guna, you say hooray, okay? Ano po sasabihin pag sinabi ko kid Guna? Hooray!